In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Canva creator and sell your designs. Start by opening your browser and going to canva.com/creators. Then log in to your Canva account. This takes you to Canva's dedicated hub for designers and illustrators who want to contribute content to the platform. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to use for selling, so everything you upload and earn from stays in one place. On that page, look for the big Become a Creator button and click it. This is your gateway to the application and setup flow. If the button isn't immediately visible, scroll a bit or check the header. It's prominently displayed when the program is accepting new creators. Next, you'll fill out your creator profile. Think of this as your storefront. Add a clear profile image and a concise bio that highlights your style, specialties, and what buyers can expect from you. If you focus on templates, illustrations, photos, or videos, say so. Keep the tone professional but friendly, and aim for clarity over cleverness. Strong profiles help reviewers understand your niche and help customers find you once your work goes live. Now it's time to upload your designs. Choose your best original work that fits Canva's quality standards. Ensure files are high resolution, properly cropped, and free of watermarks. Templates should be well organized with editable elements, consistent spacing, and accessible fonts. Use descriptive file names so you can track what you've submitted. It helps to start with a small, polished set rather than a large batch that needs revisions. For each design, add a clear title, a helpful description, and precise tags. Titles should say what the item is and who it's for, like a minimalist business card template. Descriptions should explain key features, use cases, and any customization options. Tags are essential for search, so include relevant keywords users might type, avoiding vague or overly broad terms. You'll also choose a license that matches how your content can be used. Pick the option that aligns with your rights and Canva's policies, especially if your design includes third-party assets. Everything must be cleared for use. When everything looks good, submit your designs for review. The review team checks quality, originality, and policy compliance. Review times can vary, so be patient. If something is declined, read the feedback carefully, make edits, and resubmit. Once approved, your designs will appear in the Canva marketplace for sale. From here, keep your portfolio fresh by uploading consistently, refining your titles and tags, and monitoring what performs well so you can create more of what your audience wants.